Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Right here, it's up to you. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. I allow it. Then agree and continue. Right here you can sign in into your account, but I'm going to skip it. And also right here you can select a region. Now click Add Device and allow. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!